soybeans this morning because we had a crop report on Friday that created some weekly excess and should have led to lower prices early this week. And we were below a near-term value reference here at 848. Should see some lower prices. Notice that we had a balanced Globex price, and then right off the open drive higher to new weekly highs. So one of the questions is like, why is that? When the expectation is lower, why does it move higher? Well, Friday we had a crop progress report that injected some binary information, meaning that the auction could go either direction. And what is helpful to remember, I always like, rather than making a decision on what happens on a crop report or some type of binary event, I actually put greater credence in what happens the day following, because that tends to be where the real consensus is. Like, people can get out of sorts on a crop report. Could be an EIA report, could be an FOMC, some other kind of binary event that occurs during the session. But the takeaway here is to always watch the behavior the following day. And what I was interested to watch this morning was how would we behave. Let me get my pin tool here. I don't know where it is. How would we behave when if we came back to test this 850 area, and even back to the scene of the release, which is around 855 is when they were releasing. So I was interested in how we're going to test this area, and then up here was where the report came out. So we can see we've blown straight through both of those. So at the moment, there is new information in the market, and really the market's honoring its longer term status, which is that we're in a place of really low thin volume from this whole tariff news. This all started back in June, and the auction is still working to repair all this. I still think we could see 872 through the November contract. Could see 912 by the end of the year. But there you go. So how do you trade the day after some type of binary event, and how much credence do you put into the behavior of a binary event? Hope that's helpful.